Hey guys, Anel Tunes, the African Mix Master, back in another tutorial. And we are looking at mixing vocals using Logic stock plugins. We've looked at quite a number of plugins, compressor, EQ, beat crusher, DSR, and the chorus previously. Please look for them in this playlist or somewhere on my channel and go through them, enjoy and learn how you can mix your vocals using Logic stock plugins. And we began using what we call send effects, the effects that we send a signal to, not inside effects, which we looked at, which I explained more in the previous video. Please look for it and watch it once again. And today we are looking at reverb. And let's dive right in right now. First, without the reverb, just a feel of the song, the same song we've been working with, but it's good to start with where we left, so we continue building from there. So my reverb is off via the send here, if you have to listen now. Hey! Very beautiful song, very beautiful vocals. And now we are going to look at reverb. And I've chosen Chroma verb. I know most Logic users that I've seen use the Space Designer. Very amazing reverb, very beautiful reverb. But now this is just a matter of preference. And I prefer using the Chroma reverb because, in my opinion, this is one of the best reverbs out there on the market. And the amazing thing is that it's free. For as long as you use Logic, this reverb is free. It is one of the sweetest sounding reverbs that you'll find on the market. All the other reverbs included, the purchased ones, the ones that come at a very high fee, that are very expensive. Trust me. I don't know. I rarely see Logic users use the Chroma verb, based on the projects that I receive. But I just don't know why they don't use this reverb. It is a very sweet sounding reverb. Don't take my word for it. Please try it out on your own mixes. So let's dive in right now. In our vocal, so first, this is the default setting of the Chroma verb, and I've put my signal to 0%, in other words, full blast. We're getting a whole feel of the reverb. Hey! And we just need to tame it a bit. I love, if I'm to, let me try to get the factory, let me try to record the defaults. So these are the defaults, exactly. Let's listen to it. Hey! I just love the silkiness of this reverb. It's so beautiful. And notice this lesson is not about teaching you how to use the Chroma verb. I'm not going to go into depth of using this Chroma verb. I'm just going to show you how I use it strictly and what it really does. Okay. Now, first we have the room. So when you click, you'll get the various options of the halls. For example, if I'm to listen, I'm going to be playing through the various ones. So you tell me, oh, so you hear the different sounds they have. Hey! I will bow to the Son of the Lamb. With my voice I will praise your holy name. You hear the different sounds of the reverbs, and they sound amazing. However, I normally gravitate towards I love the chambers, I love the theater, and I love the vocal hall. So for this particular tutorial, let's go with the vocal hall. That's what I've chosen. I just love the way it sounds. I love natural sounding reverbs. I see very many people use plates on vocals, but I prefer using halls on vocals. Like I said, preference. So my settings, I love the decay at around 2. If it's a hip hop song, I would go shorter, I would use a room. But since this is more of a ballad, like a real singing song, I love a little bit of the tails. And then I love the size. I'll go for 100. That's the size of the space. That's what we are talking about. And the pre-delay, I would look at 10 milliseconds for my pre-delay. Totally wait, since we are only sending a signal, we're not inserting the reverb on the vocal chain. We're just sending a signal. And this is how it sounds like in full blast. Hey! Sounds amazing. I just love the way it sounds so beautiful. I love the tails. It's kind of more of an engulfing reverb. And I'm simply going to just adjust the send knob here to taste. Hey!
Azandokule okuva mu kibi kabaka kyono emunyenye gwezisinza.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And that is it for the reverb. Actually, no rocket science. I'll just leave it the way it is. Maybe if I wanted to go into the nitty gritty, let me try to put an EQ after the reverb. Let me use the EQ here, and I'll try to listen to the reverb in particular. Yep, the reverb signal just by installing the reverb. And I'm going to look for some harsh frequencies. I love dark reverbs. Those ones really do for me. And I would look for the harsh frequencies. Right there, I'll just pull down these frequencies, almost eliminating them. I just don't like them on reverbs. Yep, I love the reverbs, and I think that is it. That's what I'll do. And in the mix, hey! Now, without the reverb, okuva mu kibi kabaka kyono emunyenye gwezisinza. I will bow to the son of the land. And that is it, using the Chroma verb that comes with Logic. Trust me, it is one of the best sounding reverbs on the planet. Yes, I say it again, one of the best sounding reverbs. It is amazing, yet it's free, and very few people take advantage of it. Thank you for watching. Click that bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. And don't forget to click the link in the description. Go sign up for my free course on my website named Secrets to Mixing with Reverb on African Lead Vocals. Please go take advantage of this course. It's totally free. Sign up and have a blast. Bye-bye.